Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. Tanx, that is about sin x over cosine x. When we put b over 2 go in here and here. This one you got number 0. This one you got number 0. So we can use about Elf Hospital in here. That means we need to do first the derivative on numerator and the denominator. So in this one we can put like this. This is about the product rule of the derivative. This one we have negative sin x. So this one we have number 1. Because first the derivative of s we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got number 0. This one that is about cosine x. Then we put b over 2 go in here, 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 and here. Sine of b over 2 that is about number 1. And cosine of b over 2 that is about number 0. And we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.